Hi, my name is Dr. Aman Bhullar. I'm proud to share 3 ways dental implants can make your life better. 1, it allows patients to live a healthier and active lifestyle. 2, it allows them to digest and eat foods that they may not be able to always enjoy. And 3, it provides them confidence in all aspects of their life, whether it be social interactions, employment opportunities. Just carry themselves with a happy smile allows them a lot more opportunities to engage in life with. There's a lot of patients that are candidates for dental implants. The involvement of newer technologies and newer procedures have allowed a lot more patients that were in the past that were told that they may not be able to be suitable participants for an implant procedure. New technologies and new procedures have allowed these patients now to be viable candidates for implants. Improvements in digital technology and less invasive surgical procedures have allowed implants to be accessible to a lot more people now. An all-on-4 and all-on-X procedure provides a lot of benefits to patients. In most of our cases, patients can have abilities to eat and chew foods within 24 hours of the procedure. And that's a big improvement in the field of implantology, that we're able to place implants, remove any failing teeth or any diseased teeth, and in most cases to be able to provide patients with a solution that is fixed, that stays in their mouth, that allows them to start digesting food more favorably, smile with confidence. We see this on a daily basis in our practice. We see many patients that have instant results and carry themselves with a lot more pride and confidence as soon as they leave the door here. So for patients that are interested in getting more information about dental implants, whether it be a single tooth that they're trying to replace or a whole failing arch or upper or lower set of teeth that aren't allowing them to chew or eat with, we ask them to give us a call. Visit our website. We've got a lot of helpful information there, but giving us a call is the quickest way. We can do a virtual consultation from the comfort of your own home, to a chance for me to meet you and to understand what concerns that you have, and we can provide you with solutions on a virtual platform, or we invite you to come into our office for an opportunity where we can take more diagnostic records and images and to be able to spend some time with you and share what solutions we can provide you for the specific conditions that you have.